Devil knows my name. Every road sign spells it out. Devil knows my face like a rumor, like a doubt. I keep driving past redemption, past the shame, past the blame. But wherever this highway ends, devil knows my name. Saw a cross by the shoulder, past a flower, rusty gate. Pull over just to feel how heavy mercy weighs. Was a flask on the dashboard, was a letter I never sent. Tore it up at the border, still it read what I meant. Devil knows my name. Every road.
One more mountain and one more night. One more reason for a man to fight. I'm charging the line for a kiss and a prayer and the hope that I'll find you still waiting there. One more mountain and one more night. One more reason for a man to fight. I'm charging the line for a kiss and a prayer and the hope that I'll find you still waiting there. One more mountain and one more night. One more reason for a man to fight. I never was a brave man. I never was. A coward in a Charlotte's hand. A coward in. They knew me as the low man. Low man. You knew me as a low man. But in the end, I was the last man standing. But in the end, I was the last man standing. Cut the brake lines, I threw away the key. There ain't a single master who can dictate me.